guys, what's up? It's me Zoya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to show you guys how I'm gonna restyle my old embarrassing clothes that I don't really wear anymore. I'm so sure a lot of us have many embarrassing clothes that we don't really wear anymore, but it would be amazing to restyle them because someone's honking. Why is there constant honking? Anyway, so I feel like it's a great idea to just restyle your clothes because it's being sustainable, it's saving money, and I swear to God, I feel like if I put in enough effort, I'm sure I could restyle my own clothes better and you guys could as well. So hopefully this video inspires you a little bit to restyle your clothing. I had a ton of old embarrassing clothes, but I got rid of them in April. But I still somehow have more, which is very weird. So just proves my point how clothes get embarrassing every single day. Yeah, anyway, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, so I'm gonna do a little haul of everything that I found in my wardrobe, closet, cupboard. I don't really know what to say. Anyway, so the first thing that I got is this jacket type shirt. I used to really like this. This is from Neon, I don't know how to say it, from West Side, and it's supposed to be a shirt basically, but I don't really know how to style it anymore. I used to wear it as a shirt. I wore it once in my whole life. It was from when floral used to be a big thing. It's a nice print. I don't know if I should call this print nice anymore. I have no idea if this is a nice print. And then it also has these gold chains, which I thought looked so good back then. I don't know, I really like this. So this is the one that I want to style. I don't think I'm going to DIY that. The second one is this shirt from H&M. I don't really know when I got this. I think I've worn this 2 or 3 times my whole life. This is from when cold shoulders used to be a big thing because they have cold shoulders. And yeah, that's about it. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this shirt because basically I would not want to wear cold shoulders again. I don't know, I never really liked cold shoulders when they were a trend even. Then I have the scarf. I felt like I could wear this as a shirt, but we're gonna see. I have this really embarrassing polka dot shirt. I've worn this 2 or 3 times my whole life. I think I can crop this to make it work, but I don't really know because this is also really big for me, so I don't know. I love this shirt so much. It says hyperactive kid inside, and I'm gonna crop this to make it look nicer, and I feel this I could really wear again. I have this as well. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe crop this. I'm gonna crop everything. At the end of the video it's just gonna be oh, so I cropped everything. But yeah, I feel this could really work if I cropped it. Maybe. I don't know, it's velvet, and I don't know what velvet would look like if it's not hemmed from the bottom. It wouldn't look good, right? Maybe cropping this isn't the best idea. I'm gonna ask my mom. I'm gonna restyle it all, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I restyled it, and hopefully you guys will like it. So yeah. Okay guys, so after that it was just approximately 30 minutes of cutting my own clothes, and by cutting I mean modestly cropping them. I usually just try to cut them out. I don't even bother hemming them because they're cotton, and then they just turn on their own to look really nice after they're cut. And the steps to doing this is basically just trying on to figure out how much you need to hem. This is me trying my clothes, and then I just fold them into like one half. I don't know how to describe it, just look at the video. And after that I cut them where I mark them. Sometimes I just mentally mark them just to see how many inches I need. I don't use a pencil, and then I cut them, and then they look all cute. So this is what it is. Usually with cotton you don't even need hemming, so it's fine. Okay guys, so I was trying to do the video, but then I saw that this shirt is actually the cold shouldered shirt that I didn't like too much. But now that I'm wearing it, it fits really fine. It seems really comfortable, but I don't think I can do anything about the fact that this is a cold shoulder. I feel like in the winters this will be like an okay shirt to sleep in because it's like full sleeved and it's like this material that's like really warm and cozy. So I don't know, I might just keep it this way.
5, 6, 7, 8. Dance with me in my backyard, boy, and look, it's fine. You corduroy, drive me round the block. Can go when I look and turn the right up. Want some good boy dancing that I feel.
Hey guys, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and join the frog squad. We are pretty wholesome and nice and amazing, and I would love for you guys to be here every week. I'm sorry that this video was not as long as my regular videos. It's basically because the weekends have been really busy for me and the weekdays mean school, which is again busy for me. With online school it becomes slightly more difficult, but I'm trying my best to upload weekly. And yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. If you do change some of your old clothes, make sure to tag me on Instagram or DM me pictures. I would love to see what you guys came up with and what you guys did. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you.